Venezuela is struggling to deal with a severe economic crisis. More than a quarter of the population lives below the poverty line in the recession-hit country, where inflation's forecast to exceed 700% in 2017. Severe shortages affect around 80% of food, medication and basic goods. Urban violence and corruption are widespread. The country's economy is highly reliant on oil wealth. Venezuela has the world's largest proven reserves, and crude production accounts for 96% of its foreign currency. The country has plunged into crisis since global crude prices collapsed mid-2014. Rating agencies warn that Venezuela is on the brink of default, but the country continues to meet its debt payments while maintaining domestic subsidies and credit facilities for oil to its strategic allies. Cuba receives 87,000 barrels of crude a day at special rates in exchange for medical staff. Further afield, China imported 316,000 barrels a day in 2015 in return for major investment and long-term loans. Despite years of strained relations, Venezuela's biggest oil customer remains the United States, importing some 731,000 barrels a day on average in 2015.